So how you can get your first $500 in profit per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So as you're watching this video, I'm going to go into detail, step by step, no BS, exactly in maximum 10 minutes, what you can do as a beginner to go from zero to first $500 in profit a day. Now, if you're a newbie watching this video, the first thing you have to keep in mind is this. In 2023, going further, in 2024, you have to understand the scene of affiliate marketing, especially direct response affiliate marketing, has changed. If you are not paying attention, lots of things from traffic sources, from high quality offers, from niches are changing. So you have to keep the same pace if you want to get results. Now, one of the best advices I could give you is you need to have someone who help you one-on-one, step-by-step to actually get these crazy results with affiliate marketing. Now, what do you need? What do you basically need if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing is basically Wi-Fi connection, internet, your laptop or PC, whatever you're using, and this will help you to basically get the results. Now you have this. Now the second thing is you need to choose a niche. What niche could do well? For example, if I were you, I would not go after huge niches. So for example, lots of people or lots of gurus on Clickbank tell you for weight loss, which is good. But keep in mind, in weight loss, fitness, health space, there are also many different subcategories, like diabetes, like cancer, like keto diet, like for example, dental health, right? So health is big space. Focus on one, and keep in mind, you don't need to have 10% of that traffic. You only need 0.1 to 1% of traffic, of results, of sales to get a lot of money, to talking 6 to 7 figures per year. But if your goal is only $500 a day to maximum $1,000 per day as an affiliate in profit, of course, not the revenue, I'm talking profit, then it's super simple and easy to do it. Why? Because lots of newbies tend to be very lazy and they don't understand few basics, which is you need to have a high quality website, right? So you're not getting the problems with ad networks such as Facebook, YouTube, and Google, right? They don't shut down your accounts. And the next thing is, right, very important, you need to have quality down targeting details, right? Who are you targeting? If you go broad for everyone who is in health, of course you'll not get good results. So what you need to keep in mind is what targeting details do you need? Who is your audience? Where do they hang out? What do they read? What magazines they read? And this will enable you to basically go after the buyers, not leads, right? We're not generating leads here. Leads do not equal money. Buyers clicks equal money, sales on Clickbank or MaxWeb, whatever affiliate network you are using. So as you're watching video right now, maybe you're wondering, heck, I want to make $500 a month per day as an affiliate, right? But what does it cost? What is the investment? Now, investment part is the last thing you should be worried about. Why? Because look, if you are really serious and if you really want to get results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, you should understand it's much more cheaper to start online business than it's to start traditional business like opening a hotel or a restaurant. You have to invest tens of thousands of dollars upfront, right? Now with affiliate marketing, I would suggest if you have at least 1,000 to 5,000 or more euros or US dollars, this is the perfect sweet spot to be in, right? Now maybe you're saying, okay, $5,000 is a lot of money, or 3,000 euros is a lot of money. Yes, maybe for you it's a lot of money. But keep in mind, compared to what? Compared to starting 9 to 5, compared to missing out on what you could be generating if you took this business very seriously, because it only takes you 1-2 hours a day, right? What more there is, right, to affiliate marketing than promoting, not selling, promoting other people's product for 90 to 100% commissions. As an affiliate, again, you're not owning any products. You don't have to be IT master. You can get done for your website. So once we work together one-on-one, you get done for your website, done for your landing pages, ad copies, and then we connect over the Zoom one-on-one as you're watching over my shoulder, right? How I'm setting up over the Zoom call your ad campaign in Google or Facebook, right? So very important, Google pay-per-click or Facebook pay-per-click ads are a way to go as a newbie. If you want really huge results, I'm talking $500 to $1,000 in profit days, right? In between. So it's not always the same. I cannot guarantee you that, of course. It's not always the same, every single day the same. But in between there, 500, 600, $700 a day is great spot to be in, especially if you're a newbie and if you really wanna generate great results as an affiliate, right? So if you're watching this video and if you wanna get results, you can subscribe to my channel. And below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, even my own private email list. You can subscribe to it in the description below, but only if you're serious, right? If you have at least 1,000 to 5,000 euros or dollars, whatever currency you're using, but US dollars, okay? Then this is great spot for you to be in, because let's be honest, right? What does it really take if you really want to get the results, right? $5,000, $3,000, $10,000, doesn't matter. If you can make $10,000, let's do the math, do the simple math. If you're making 500 US dollars per day in passive income online with affiliate marketing as a beginner, as a newbie, that means you're making over 15,000 US dollars in profit. Keep in mind, you spend $5,000, for example, right? To make every month $15,000. So that's the way to go, right? That's the way to be if you're really serious. So I think you are, because you're watching this video, right? But you will not get results up until you will take action now. As you're watching this video, take action now, all right? Because by now you should realize it. It's really, really important. If you naturally want to get results, you have to be aware, right? That you have to discover new way of thinking, new mindset, and having someone who will help you step by step, one-on-one, along the way to get the results that you desire. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for more helpful tips, DM me, call me, right? All my numbers are below in the description below.